Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is success. Success is a journey, not a destination. Those who work hard never fail. Success is not what you achieve, but what you learn along the way. Work with determination, success will be yours. The secret of success lies in two things. Number one is hard work, and second is patience. Only those who never give up are successful. The first rule of success is to have to faith in yourself. The foundation of success is passion and continuous effort. The greatest key to success is never to give up. Hard work never goes. Success is always achieved. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.